All right, today's video is brought to us by Land O'Lakes butter, and this is the packaging that was discontinued about 2 years ago because Princess Mia, who I always thought was Princess Buttercup, was very offensive to Native Americans, so they changed it to something much more okay with Native Americans, and that's what they changed it to. What a great choice. So it went from Princess Mia to that. Okay, so today's video is about a lock I just got, and I was sent this and said it was a challenge to do it in 1 minute or less. It's a master lock, and it is the Master 140. And you can see it's out of a scale, on a scale of 1 to 10, it's a 4. So it shouldn't be too hard. And it is brought to us by the Master Lock Company, LLC, in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. And it's made to exclusive Master Lock specifications in Bangkok. Oh well, I'm not sure where it's made. Somewhere in China. Could be anywhere in one of their little shops. But that's the challenge. And I do have one other of these Master Lock 140s. Let's see if we can see the number on that. There's the 140. These locks are always pretty easy. I'm just gonna warm up by doing this one first with a little tension tool on the core, and I'm just gonna use this little pick, and I'm pressing down on the pins. So I'm gonna press down a couple of times and just wiggle it around. And if it doesn't work that way, I just turn it over and wiggle it that way, and that works. So that is a 140 that I have in my collection. Now we're going to try the new one for the 1 minute challenge, and this comes with 2 keys, 2 little brass keys. Okay, I got it out of the package. And I do like the brass locks. I have quite a few of those in my collection. And let's take a look at this. This is a brand new lock. And it is the 140. And the challenge is to do it in 1 minute or less. So I'm going to put I'm going to get a head start and put the turning tool in. And I'm going to start the clock. Try to do it in less than 1 minute. Here we go. I'm using the same technique. I'm pushing down on the pins. Wiggle it around a little bit at the end of it, and if that doesn't work, I'm just going to turn it over, and there it goes. Took 21 seconds to get that new lock open. That is the Master Lock, and you can see why it's on a scale of 1 to 10. It's only a 4. If I can do it in 21 seconds, it's not very secure. And I'm going to give some cowbell to the Land O'Lakes Butter Company for changing to such a great new packaging symbol. Knuckle bump.